New York, AP, the latest on developments in financial markets, all times local, 4 p.m. U.S. stocks are closing higher Friday as oil prices and energy companies rallied. OPEC said it will produce more oil, but not as much as investors feared. U.S. crude jumped 4.6% and ExxonMobil advanced 2.1%. Healthcare companies also rose while technology companies and banks fell. The European Union imposed tariffs on $3.4 billion in U.S. exports, and President Donald Trump threatened to put a 20% tax on cars made in Europe. The Dow Jones Industrial Average broke an 8-day losing streak. It gained 119 points, or 0.5%, to 24,580. The Nasdaq Composite lost 20 points, or 0.3%, to 7,692, 12 p.m. U.S. Stocks are higher at midday Friday as oil and energy producers jump. OPEC producers agreed to produce more oil. U.S. crude jumped 4.3% and ExxonMobil advanced 2.8%. Oil prices have dipped in the last few weeks as investors expected an increase in production. The European Union is now enforcing tariffs on $3.4 billion in U.S. goods, and President Donald Trump threatened a 20% tariff on European cars. The Dow Jones Industrials gained 165 points, or 0.7%, to 24,628. The 30 stock index is on an 8-day losing streak. The technology companies fell and the Nasdaq Composite lost 10 points to 7,702. 9:35 a.m. U.S. stocks are opening higher as oil and energy producers jump. OPEC producers are set to discuss boosting production. U.S. crude jumped 2.9% Friday and ExxonMobil advanced 2.1%. Oil prices have dipped in the last few weeks as investors expected an increase in production. The European Union is now enforcing tariffs on $3.4 billion in U.S. goods, a move investors anticipated. The Dow Jones Industrials gained 143 points, or 0.6%, to 24,602. The 30 stock index is on an 8-day losing streak, its longest in more than a year. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.